I'm hoping somebody can help me figure out what this noise is. It doesn't do it all the time, but when you throttle it up and the engine is decelerating, if you open up the air cleaner,